Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to work with the broad stairs from the sensorial area. This exercise develops the child's perception of dimension. It also helps to develop the fine motor skills and also the eye-hand coordination skills. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to work with the broad stairs. Are you ready? Watch me and you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!